In a small, peaceful village, there lived an old woman named Hazel. She was kind and always ready to help others. Though she lived alone, she was never lonely because her neighbors often visited her, bringing food and sharing stories. Hazel found joy in simple things and was grateful for her life. One chilly autumn morning, Hazel went to the forest to collect firewood. As she walked among the trees, she noticed something buried in the ground. Curious, she brushed away the dirt and found an old pot. When she opened it, her eyes widened in surprise. It was full of shiny gold coins. Hazel's heart raced with excitement. With this gold, I can live a comfortable life, she thought. She imagined buying a big house, wearing beautiful clothes, and enjoying luxury. But there was one problem. The pot was too heavy to carry. Determined, Hazel made a wooden slide and tied a cloth around the pot. Slowly, she began pulling it toward her home. As she dragged the pot, something strange happened. The gold coins inside started to change color. When she stopped to rest and looked inside, she gasped. The gold had turned into silver. She felt a little sad but quickly comforted herself. Silver is still valuable. I can still live well, so she continued pulling the pot along. After some time she checked again. To her shock, the silver had turned into iron. Her excitement faded. Iron is not worth much, she thought. But she kept going. A little further, she looked again. The iron had now turned into ordinary stones. Hazel dropped the rope and stared in disbelief. All her dreams of riches had vanished. She sat down and thought, "Before I found this pot, I was happy. I had a warm home, good neighbors, and a simple but good life. Why did I think I needed more?" At that moment, Hazel realized something important. True happiness does not come from gold or silver. It comes from gratitude, kindness, and love. Smiling, she left the pot in the forest and walked home. That evening, as she sat by her small fireplace in her old but cozy chair, she felt a warmth in her heart that no amount of gold could bring. From that day on, Hazel never wished for riches again. She continued helping others, knowing that true happiness comes from being content with what you have.